something mean coming here. Skylark. Oh, so it's probably an LS Swamp. I've seen this car race before. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I just saw this car at the racetrack. That's Max Wedge. Got the VW Club. How's that look? Pretty clean.
This car was older than me. Yeah, that's a 1956. 2008. Yeah.
Can you tell the difference?
What's the difference between what?
Those two.
Bumpers.
Pretty similar.
Yeah, like bumpers, wheels, mirrors.
It's like a 50-year difference. Got the model. He's like revving the engine, so.
To get out of the way.
Yeah, exactly. Just WS6. Ain't got no power steering.
That's what I was thinking.
Talk to the guy.
Coke cooler.
As soon as there's something wrong or older, she's like,
Got the Impala. Pretty cool. Get my hot rod. The Ford engine. Actual Ford engine. I think that's the car we saw.
So yeah, I went all
With the suicide doors.
I don't know if we saw this.
Look, he's got the tray like they had in the old days. Yeah, when you pull into the drive-in, they put that tray on there.
yeah, you probably were, yeah.
Got the little camel.
Nice.
Well, that's probably what they do.
Oh, here we go. El Camino.
Yeah, I know. I'm leaning this way, but this.
What do you think of that air cleaner?
It's pretty cool.
I wonder if that was an option.
I got Mustang pulling up.
I'm coming this way.
I mean, no.
Auto like 4,300.
Did you hear that dog?
That was big.
Studded, girdle, low end, triple heads. The heads on this motor, the Windsor motor, the
This is nice.
small original heads. So just by putting a set of heads on the game, I have the original. I have the original heads. I have the original intake. I have the original distributor. But it's the original block. Back to an AOD, automatic trans. So on the street, I run it. When I get on the highway, I press it.
Gold. $66. At the Alpha Club. Yeah. That was at the big show. That was in the woods. So was this Volkswagen. What? Oh. LS. LS2. C5. What'd you say, turbo? No turbo?
I've seen a few of them.
I think all these cars are from that other show. We're at this other show. These two. I'm pretty sure. You think it's the same one?
Yeah, it's definitely the same.
We ain't gonna see too many of those. So they call us a Sport Fury. With the Crossfire injection.
Didn't we see that at the last one?
Yeah, I don't know if it was this car though. The other one was blue. There's a blue one just like this. Same size on back tires. wedge. Oh, this thing was crossfire too.
Like up to here.
I don't know if that's a Hemi or if that's just a wedge.
Is that cricket?
What?
Is it a cricket?
Cricket?
Yeah, like up on the.
It's a grasshopper.
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
so I mixed up my colors.
Look at that intake. What is that? I guess that's how you fit it in there. Wedge. Get the wedge. And you
I want to take
it's got 351 Cleveland though.
These new functional side vents help cool the engine. And new this year, disc brakes all around. Try the 65.
Oh, look at this one to the left.
Put yourself in the cockpit.
What is that, an AMC Rambler?
You'll see what driving a
Got the rod. Oh, there's some.
We've been for 13 years. We've also got a Mexican road race Lincoln, and my wife's got a GT6. We've got a Sunday
I'll probably get copyright for the music. Nah, they don't. These songs like this, they don't protect them. What do you mean, cruising around town?
No, I saw it at the Dundee show.
Replica though.
next year. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta watch the camera, man. Can't walk in front of the camera, man. I think that's down there is where that car fell down. Rubicon. What's that I hear?
Sounds like it's got a supercharger or something.
Yeah, I don't know what it's got. I don't even know what that is.
A Pontiac Solstice.
Oh, okay. Alright, we'll going back here. Got some nice cars right there. That Magnum PI car here.
What was that? The one with the super.
You saw this white one?
Yeah, I thought we did.
We saw a red one.
Oh, it was red.
It's going to be a while before the Mexican tries to get that. That's what I was trying to do.
GTO.
Yeah. Where? I know my link card is starting to run dry. I waited for the 8 days.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, roll places over.
Gotta fill it back up.
Let me get this thing.
I was gonna say, I know Pleasant Prairie, never heard of Pleasant Hill. Just over a board.
What's this?
Probably got kicked up when he was coming in.
Think so?
Because it's all in the back. But I thought this thing was going to go way farther down. Kind of surprised.
Oh yeah, further in there. A lot of cars left though. They might have been down there. Okay, we can skip this section. Oh, I like this yellow. 427. $68. 127.
I just have the, yeah, Mickey's in my phone.
You always see one of these around.
Light works. It works.
Yeah, they turn on.
Because the back looks like the area.
This looks like the one. Yeah, but it's not a speed sign.
With the where they got the custom front end. 62. It's got the removable hardtop.
So you were able to.
That's the year before they changed the body style to this body style to 63. Let's see, here's another one with the I think that's the what the race cars did with the bubble lights that are covered up, so they don't get dirty. It's a Grand Sport replica. I wonder if that's actually a Corvette. There's no information on that one. Got no information. Nobody here. Might as well get this one. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Got some nice lamps.
Pretty cool car.
I mean, got the probe. What?
This is a laser?
What do you mean laser?
Oh, a probe.
Probe, yeah. 95, yeah, that was right around the time I was looking at cars. Then I ended up getting the Z28.
Do you know if that trail goes down to where we park? That's a Willie.
Got a lot of information on that one. Oh, that's a shortened. I got off short. I wonder if that was a four-door and they shortened it. Short body. '73 Bronco. Got the Vega. Got the Corvair. Really? You don't see too many else. Got the Speedster. Big Charger. Got the Segway. Oh, get the wagon. That's a 95. Mine was a 94. Got the Mustang.
I've seen this Eleanor before.
You've seen a lot of Eleanors before. How do you know it's the same one?
Because I've seen this one. It's got the Coyote swap with the Whipple. Or not the Whipple, but
Y'all are.
no, it's not a real one. It's a replica.
What?
It's not like a real Shelby. It's just a replica.
Right. But if it was done by them, then it's signed by Shelby.
But it was.
This one isn't?
No.
Oh, it's not. Well, yeah, you know, because it's not real. Nice fastback.
Oh, I saw this aberration.
Tri-power.
I saw this one at the one with the planes for going tomorrow.
Mustang section. This ain't no Corvette coming. Should have that hood open a little more. I don't know what that back there is. Why it doesn't just have the an opening? It's got like a custom opening. Got the Bandit. Smokey and the Bandit. What? I'm not sure if that was a real option or not. So it's all original. I don't know if I have or not.
So I'm pretty sure they built the motor with a supercharger on it.
So that's a supercharger?
Yeah.
Don't look like.
I think it's based off of the LSA maybe?
Don't look like one. It's hard to even find an actual ZL1, let alone something like that. Iroxy. Stage 1 GS. You gonna like the Stage 1? All right. See so many Bel Airs. You like that? The AMX. That can't be the race car I saw. It doesn't look like a race car. Maverick's a little rusty. It's got that rust all the way through where you can poke your fingers through it. You like this?
Yeah. I think it's a Cayman GTS maybe?
Yeah, GT3. Got the Bronco. 74. Tonino convertible GT. Got 351. What we got? What do we got?
Fox.
Oh. What's he have in the back of that thing? That's a Saab?
I don't think. Oh, actually, it's a
Citroen.
Look at all the room.
Man, what is this?
It's like it's got storage space.
I can't read it. German. Yeah, Citroen. I like those wheels. That's a Prestige.
Well, there's two different things that originally